Hello and welcome to the section 7 of the course, Reporting and Communication. Now in this section, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the various reporting tools and then how we can write reports and what are the various steps are available that we are going to learn here in this section. So let's start with the first video, Reporting and Communication Overview. Now in this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about the basics of reporting and I'll also give you various examples. So what is reporting? In the first point, you can see that reporting is necessary to understand problems. Now what kind of problems? Problems means the vulnerabilities inside your network, vulnerabilities inside your websites or inside your applications. Vulnerabilities are called weakness and weakness are problem, right? So reporting is necessary to understand problems. So as a client, I can understand the problems inside my system using report. Report writing contains these information like methodology, procedures, explanation, and experience. Methodology means what kind of methods are using by the pen testers. Procedures, what are the procedures are available? How you are going to explain it? How you are going to explain the problems? And according to your experience, what you want to suggest? What is the conclusion that you need to provide? So as a pen tester, methodology means what kind of tools you are using, what are your methods to find problems or weakness in the target system, procedures, what are your fixed procedures available in reporting, what are the points you are going to cover, explanation, how you are going to explain the problems to the client, because if client is not a technical person, how you are going to explain those problems. So you have to explain clearly, you have to explain in simple language so that anyone can understand that what kind of problems are there in my system or inside my network or inside my websites, etc. Experience, according to the pen tester experience, he has to suggest the client that what are the future improvements are available and what is the actual conclusion of the pen testing. So these are some points pen tester should consider while writing a report.